What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Got another pair of Adidas sneakers here for you. I know this is uncommon. You're not used to seeing so much Adidas content on my channel. This is a sneaker unboxing, so let's get to it. This is a pair of NMD R1s in a fire solar red colorway. I mean, this just changed the whole white balance on my camera. It looks kind of wild, if you ask me. Great pair of shoes here. If you're interested, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them. It's in the description. You can buy them on StockX. You might be able to find a great deal. It says a bunch of stuff on this front Lego tab here. I think this is Lego. Let me know if I'm wrong in the description. In the comment section, excuse me. Whole bunch of letters here in the back. NMD R1, blah, blah, blah. I really can't tell what it says. I see last model, very material. Anyway, this is a pretty nice looking shoe. Let's check out how it looks on foot. They look good with joggers, so definitely check out the Amazon affiliate link to buy yourself a pair of Xanarobes on Amazon. Let's see how they look on feet. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's check them out.